and down before the bottom.
This is great bloopers, just so you know. This is a great blooper.
What the fuck is a blooper?
Blooper is like funny moments before the actual video starts.
Should I give my heads up on that still?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Krisey coming back to you again with another video. Today's a very special video. It's called The Truth and Drink. But before we get right into it, I have my beautiful, handsome boyfriend. Get off your phone. His name is Fritz. And yeah, we've been dating for a very long time, and I'm excited for him to be in this video, for you guys to get to know him, and so I can get answers from him, okay? Today's video is gonna be the truth and drink video. We have our rum. You wanna show them the rum?
Cocoa Mania.
Cocoa Mania from Jamaica.
Coconut amber.
Yes, so we're gonna...
Ray and Nephew.
Yes, by Ray and Nephew.
Yeah.
Cool. So we're gonna get right into it, and I have some questions for him. You ready now?
Yeah, let me go.
You're comfy now? You sure?
Shoot my babes. Get drunk and done.
Make me talk up louder.
Yeah, I'm gonna get drunk and done. Come on.
Okay, so how we're gonna do this, I'm gonna ask questions. We're gonna take shot from the cap. We're gonna do it Yachty style, because we don't trust the glasses in this place. Anyways, let's see what kind of careless questions. Ready? So we're gonna start off with some PG questions. And the first question is, what is the weirdest dream you ever had?
That's just what?
What is the weirdest dream you ever had? Okay, I can tell you my weirdest dream that I ever had. Literally right before I came to Jamaica, I dreamt of literally, you know those orangutan? Yeah, I dreamt that like one was chasing me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Have you ever had a... Make sure you fill it up all the way to the top. You remember a dream? You don't want to talk about your dream?
Moving on, please.
All right. What's your longest relationship?
What, 9 years?
With who?
What?
And
That's, how many questions do you have there? 1 or 2?
What do you mean?
Which was the primary question? Answer the questions.
Okay, my longest relationship was this one, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, what's the long? Yeah?
Yeah, our relationship. Okay. 9 years, with who?
Yeah, for our. I'm an old guy, you know this.
Okay. Anyways, we're gonna move on. Now, would you ever hook up with someone else's partner? And let me rephrase this question. Your brethren wife, would you ever hook up with them?
No.
No?
No, my brethren wife.
Yeah, your brethren's girlfriends, or you know, like Cathy, would you ever?
What you with that dude?
So you say no, right?
Yeah, but no, me not go. My dog wife. I mean, it would have to be her intention, and
So yeah.
I think when I shut it down, or maybe shit would have go down and I tell him, but no, me not go in on my intention to try to get with me.
Alright, for me, it would be a no.
Yeah,
No. There's a certain level, you can't cross that, you know? Certain respect. Now, what sex act are you bad at? Pass me the rum. Pass me the rum. Why? Type of careless question.
What sex act?
Ooh, I spilled the rum on me.
Yeah, cheat the rum enough.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, spill it down the
No,
sides.
I not spilled.
I like you drank 1/3 of the
I
thing.
drank this in. Can you answer the question for the people?
What did you say again?
What sex act are you bad at? Give me the paper.
What's an appropriate answer?
Okay, what sex position are you bad at?
Oh, no, you're being more direct. Your sex one, dog.
No, you're not.
What?
You're not bad at that.
I'm not bad at doggy.
No.
I'm not bad at doggy style.
No.
What am I bad?
Nothing.
What?
You're not bad at anything.
Okay. Well, it's my-
Alright, I
it's
just
my-
answered that question for me.
It's my ego and I'm sticking it. I'm not bad at any sex style. That's not what they said. Okay.
Okay. Have you ever given a lap dance?
No. The fuck? To a woman?
Mm-hmm.
No. Why?
Give me another drink.
Why you feel that?
No one say that.
Not dance business. You know, I'm
Actually, I'll answer it. Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
That's one like a since relationship I'm going to.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
Have you ever read your girlfriend or boyfriend's text over their shoulder? Oh God. Give up. Pour me one, please. And you better pour yourself one too.
You first. Yeah, body face one. Tell Debbie about this. Yo, this not done, you know? Yeah, tell them
No,
about
it done,
Lady,
man.
see there? Half fight still left. Take this far. Still have something.
No,
I'm help you. I'm help you. Come. One more.
Jesus Christ. No, sir. This is dangerous, man.
He has nothing to do with this. Get on.
If you could read all your partner's texts with others, would you? No, I wouldn't.
Mm-mm.
What do you mean? It's either yes or no.
If what?
Would you read my texts to other people?
Depends.
That you're not answering the question.
This have to be yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
or drink. Oh, you would? Okay. Now we're gonna get to some R-rated questions. What kind of porn do you search for? Hey! Oh.
I'm gonna take it from me first this time.
Empty it. Yes.
You know, right?
Ebony, support Black culture.
What do you know?
What do you know? If you were a sex worker, how much would you charge? Rotted. You know what? Pour me one. Jamaican or Canadian? Thank you.
That's on the house, so we don't need to thank you.
It done, man.
Lady,
It done, man.
don't know. Yeah.
So you're not answer that for yourself.
What?
How much would you charge if you were a sex worker?
How was that? What that sound in there?
If you were a prostitute, you didn't even pour it all the way to the top.
You so what I run over a while ago.
Guys, look how much rum we have left in the little flask. Hold them up, babe.
God, they're good to me. I hope I don't have
Half.
too much shot.
What is the weirdest thing that turned you on?
What?
The weirdest thing that turns you on? For me, it could be maybe like dressing up or something, like cop role play. Yeah. What about you?
Maybe this must start before. I can't pick up that. I don't know. You have a drink to that? I know.
You better drink.
What, girl?
Drink.
Yes. Yeah, teeth. You know, that's good.
All right. I bet you didn't even fill up that room to the top.
Next time you serve.
Have you ever had sex at your workplace?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You have?
Who doesn't? You don't? Okay.
No. You can't do that. Too much camera.
Well, it's our us.
What's your favorite position? Back shot to your favorite position. Back shot to your favorite. Get up for the backers. I already said mine.
I think it's a tabletop still.
What do you mean tabletop? That's when when you guys are actually on the table?
No, not really. Like she's on the tabletop level, like she's on the bed. You're on the bed and I'm on the floor standing. And all legs are.
Oh, okay. I'm thinking an actual table.
The legs are like twin Siri, one giving us that direction, the other.
Copy that. We're gonna kill each other after this video. No. Anyways, what more careless question? What's your dream of a first date?
First date? Yo, you don't send me a yard. You don't know about them old fucking
Answer the question.
Romeo and Juliet shit about the
Answer
first
the
date. We don't do this
question.
whole date thing type of way. Is it that for the first you want to know then our Jamaican perception of first date, we don't want to call it. So the girl I would like her and she willing to make a flick, I will go out and fuck down the place, yeah. That's a perception of the first day get the fucking days.
That wasn't our first date, but okay.
Could have been. I wouldn't be. Anyways, still love you.
I still love you. Okay, my dream first date is just like maybe walk in the park and like maybe getting to know each other, talking and the boring stuff. Yeah, I'm a foreign girl. And then after, if you from Toronto or if you from the States, you gonna take your girl to Cheesecake Factory, okay? We gonna order the most expensive thing off of the menu and you gonna pay for it. I'm in a relationship though.
Oh, the thing about
Okay. Have you ever helped someone else cheat? So I guess let me rephrase the question. Were you ever somebody's side man? And
No.
for me,
Is that what the question means? Or you help somebody?
yeah, like meaning if a girl say, yeah, you know, my boyfriend is not this and that and the third,
No, it's
and
not
then you end
help.
up being.
No, babe, that's
Let me rephrase the question. Have you ever been someone else's side man or, for my case, side woman before?
I mean, even if you answer that question, of course. Side and help somebody cheat too. For the record.
Yeah, me, yeah. Not, well, I would, yeah. Yeah, our history for each other.
Okay,
goes,
yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, just know people are my man this. Are my man. No. Yes. Him love you, but him love me. Sorry.
I don't need something.
Mix up. Anyway. How far are you willing to go with a cute stranger whom you'll never see again? Why this sticky? Actually, for me, I wouldn't go that far. It wouldn't go that far. Because me's the type of person, if I find her attractive, if I'm not, mind you, I'm in a relationship now, but if, disclaimer, but if I find you attractive and whatnot, I think I'm more just to like vibe with you, get to know you first. I don't give it up that easy. No. I might not for work for it. Work. Anyways, what more careless question? What's the dirtiest text message you ever sent to someone? No drink. What is it? No, try answer the question.
Yes.
You don't answer
I'm
it?
sure there's more than one of them, of which I do not want to recall. Come on, you won't say the text.
Me? When he sent text message, I don't know, you know. I like banana splits.
What? A virgin answer them, babe. Come back. Dirty.
Wait. I'm trying not to drink. I'm feeling litty.
Oh, the unfair.
Not unfair.
Like a complimentary shot.
Have you ever slept with someone you met online? No, just pour yourself a drink because you know damn well you probably have.
Online? Define online.
Facebook, Instagram.
No.
That's you pour yourself a drink.
No, I've been even on Instagram that much. No, Facebook. I use Facebook for years, don't we?
Have I ever?
Online?
Yeah.
No.
You know what?
A random phone call type of thing?
Pour me a drink.
Okay, then. Now you're talking.
Pour me a drink.
Now you're fucking talking. Yeah, I just want to save the rest of the buckle for you. Knock yourself out. Over there. What I tell you? That's it. I'm sure what I want to feel, because I want to get my shots.
Ui.
You want to take shots, but when the thing come in. I'm a shaky question,
Have you ever filmed yourself in the act?
You haven't.
Who hasn't? If you haven't, then you're boring.
I know you're still have some flicks though.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Alright, go on with it, please.
Alright. What's your favorite drink?
Drink.
Mm-hmm.
Alcoholic. Drink.
I don't know, anything drink.
I mean, there's different versions.
Honestly, after this video, it's just gonna be Coco Mania at this point, because I've been taking bear shots tonight. Ray nephew, Coco Mania have to sponsor me.
I love, I love rum cream.
Oh yeah, he love rum cream. And Lucozade,
No, let's drink that for the
Magnum.
for the stands first. For the tonic wine up thing, yeah.
Name something illegal that you've done and regret. You sure you haven't?
Something illegal?
Yeah.
I regret it?
Mm-hmm.
No.
I don't think I ever done anything illegal. No. No. Mm-mm. I don't think I, and even if I did, I don't want you guys to know. I'll call police on me. What is the biggest lie you ever told to me? Boy, you better start pour out a drink.
Talk so good for me. I'll save some first, you know. Yeah, my baby will go half an hour.
Butter done?
That's right.
But guess what? I don't have to say nothing.
Be that's all, folks.
Anyway, that's the end of the video. Stop. Oh, you almost pull off the wig. But anyways, guys, look at the bottle. It done. And I'm kind of wavy right now. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. The bottle is done, so that means no more questions. Like seriously?
What time do I know? I ignore it.
As I was saying, he's a busy man and he seemed like he have to go. But make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Comment below if you want to see him more again in more videos. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Bye. Say bye.
What?
Bye. Say bye.
I said don't buy shit, look more.
Him say a little more later.